We introduced the Spark, the Spatial Path Animatable Rigging Kit, a modular real space animation tool that allows users to physically create their animated motion path, and furthermore have haptic control of their 3D object. Built to display or create 3-dimensional motion path, Spark is fitted with a sensor that can detect translational and rotational movement in the 6 degrees of freedom. It consists of a Z-axis plane and a 5DOF head which provide a free 360-degree input for the animation. Spark provides 4 modes of operation which can be used for different animation situations: the free input, defined output, and sandbox. The free input allows the user to create a motion path for an animation in the physical world and map it to the 3D object of the software. In order to be able to use this mode, the users have to go to the capture mode of the interface and choose the free input option. After you're done setting your required options, you can press the record button and use the physical device to create your desired motion path. When you're done with your motion path, the path appears on the application viewport. Another operation is the defined input. The defined input allows the user to choose keyframes in application and set their spatial position using the device. One can use this operation by going to the capture mode in the interface and choose the defined input option. The defined output operation gives the user the chance to adapt an already existing motion path which was created in the 3D software. To be able to use this mode, the user has to select the playback mode in the interface. The user can choose the object to move and the path for the object. After choosing the path, the Spark can then be used as a visual representation of the existing motion path, which lets the user to get a clearer picture of the movement. By enabling the active control option, the user can edit the paths that exist in the application while it is being played on the Spark device. Finally, if you would simply like to try out the device and make some tests for your animation without actually recording or adapting anything, you can simply activate the sandbox mode. This mode is the implementation of a free testing mode and enables the device to physically display your 3D environment and not only move around in it with your 3D object, but also animate it in real time and see how it looks. The 5DOF mounting head encompasses an inertial mass unit which can sense the rotational movement that can be used to animate the model. Any animatronic input device can be placed in the mounting head, allowing the device to give real-time and real space input for a 3D rigged object. The user creates a modular rig for the shark physically and map it to the 3D rigged shark. This enables the user to have immediate real-time control of the rig and visual feedback on the screen. Spark. Feel the animation.